How to use OBDLink MX Plus Diagnostic Tool. First, find the OBD2 port. Sit in the driver's seat, look under the dashboard near the steering wheel. Locate the 16-pin OBD2 port. Step 2. Plug in the OBDLink MX Plus. Insert the OBD-MX Plus into the OBD2 port. The device will power on automatically, and leave it connected during setup. Third, install the OBDLink app. Download the OBDLink app on your phone, then enable Bluetooth, and then open the app. The MX Plus works with the OBDLink app and many third-party diagnostic apps. Step 4. Connect to the vehicle. First, you need to turn the ignition to on. The engine doesn't need to be on necessarily. Open the OBDLink app, and then select the MX Plus device, and wait for the connection to complete. Step 5. Scan for trouble codes. Tap Read Codes or Diagnostics. Wait for the scan to finish. Review any fault codes found. You can read check engine codes, transmission codes, ABS codes, airbag, and SRS codes. You can also view live data. You can monitor data such as RPM, coolant temperature, battery voltage, fuel trims, turbo boost if your vehicle has turbo, and this is useful for diagnosing problems while driving. For example, if your engine coolant temperature is going up abnormally high, you might have a coolant leak and you need to shut down your car and get to a safe stop before further damage happens. Also, if the temperature of the air that's coming into the engine gets too hot, you might have a boost leak from your turbo, maybe an intercooler, or just a random pipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.